Hi, Tom Sarac here for Fluval. Today we want to continue talking to you about our performance LED lighting systems. This unit we have right here is the 80 centimeter Aqualife Plant unit, the 35 watt version. To the right of it we have the Nano 8 watt version of the same spectrum. A couple of numbers that are really important when you're evaluating a light system for your aquarium. Color temperature, 5200 Kelvin. When I say 5200 Kelvin, think about sun. The natural sun or natural light at noontime is typically 5500 to 5800 Kelvin. So at 5200, you're looking at a light source that's very similar to natural noontime sun. Another important number to evaluate a light system by is the color rendition index, or the CRI. Now, what does CRI mean? It means, to our eyes, how is this unit going to look under this artificial light source versus how it would look under natural daylight. Well, this unit features a value of 80. Natural sunlight would be 100. So you can see the natural presentation actually is very, very accurate. Very similar to natural noontime sun. The achievement behind doing something like this with a plant growth focused photosynthetic capable light system is the fact that we've given you good visible light presentation as well. So that's quite an achievement. And how did we go about accomplishing all those things, or those two very, very important things? We did it by utilizing 5 distinct different LEDs. 50% are really strongly oriented towards plant growth. The 460 nanometer blue peak LED, the 640 nanometer red peak LED, both very important peaks when it comes to chlorophyll absorption action spectra. Those values are very important to be able to feed the reaction necessary by chlorophyll during photosynthesis. There is also a very large proportion of 3000 Kelvin white LEDs, which are a little bit on the yellower side and also associated with strong plant growth performance. We blended those with the other half being 6500K and 15,000K white LEDs. The overall effect, natural type color temperature, very strong spectral performance. Also, when you're looking at a light source, you want to really have an idea of how much light, or what is the intensity of light being produced. Lumens is actually a very good way of doing that, given the fact that it's available to you in a number of other light sources that can give you a relative understanding of how strong the light is. Versus, for example, a T5HO, if you were to look at our 110 centimeter unit that we have right here, it gives you a value of a little bit above 3000 lumens. That's very comparable to a T5HO bulb that's usually powered by approximately a 54 watt power source. In our case, the 110 centimeter is using a 46 watts. So typical LED efficiency values with high light output and very strong spectral peaks to give you both pleasant viewing and strong plant growth. That concludes today's session. Thanks a lot for listening. We'll be back at you again very soon.